Breakdown is a phrasal verb primarily used as a verb. It can have multiple meanings, including to stop functioning or fail to work, to analyze or separate something into smaller parts for better understanding, to lose emotional control or become overwhelmed by emotions, to divide or separate a larger group into smaller subgroups, to disintegrate or collapse physically or mentally.
My car broke down on the way to the airport.
Can you break down the instructions for assembling furniture?
She broke down in tears when she heard the tragic news.
Let's break down into smaller groups for the discussion.
The old building is starting to break down due to neglect.
The negotiations between two parties broke down.
The mechanic will break down the cost of the repairs for you.
He couldn't handle the stress anymore and broke down.
The conference attendees will break down into workshops later.
The patient's health began to break down rapidly.
The communication system broke down during the storm.
The teacher will break down the complex math problem step by step.
After months of pressure, she finally broke down and confessed.
The orchestra will break down into sections for rehearsal.
The bridge started to break down after years of heavy use.
The peace talks between the countries broke down without reaching an agreement.
Break down.